Hi, I'm Vivek, and I have been working at EquitySoft Technology for the past 3 years. When I look back at this journey, it's not just about the years, it's about how much I have been grown, both professionally and personally. From day one, EquitySoft made me feel like belong here. It wasn't treated as a just employee, but as a part of family, genuinely cares about the growth and learning. Over these 3 years, I have worked on many projects, explored new technologies, and faced many challenges in my journey. And they are these truly shaped me. There were moments when tasks felt difficult, but every challenges me guidance, support, and trust from my team. That trust motivated me push my limit, take ownership, and believe in my abilities. What makes EquitySoft truly special is its people first culture. Here, seniors don't just guide you, they mentor you. Teammates don't compete, they collaborate. There is always the someone ready to help, listen, and encourage you to move forward. These positive environments give you more confidence and grow without fear of making mistakes. EquitySoft is a place where your efforts are valued, your ideas are noticed, and your growth truly matters. You are encouraged to learn, innovate, and become a better version for every single day. Beyond the technical skill, that journey has taught me discipline, teamwork, confidence, and leadership. To anyone looking for a workplace where learner never stops, where growth is real, and where people genuinely support each other, EquitySoft Technology is the right place for you. I am proud of to be this part of this journey and grateful for these 3 years and excited for this everything that lies ahead.